Hi, I'm Charmaine and I'm 18 this year. I got to know about Sine Beauty through my mother's recommendation. My first impression of Sine Beauty is one of professional and attention to detail. From the welcoming staff that exudes confidence and expertise to the pleasing and clean environment. Every aspect of Sine Beauty makes me feel pampered and at ease. I was experiencing acne and blackhead problems together with milia seeds. It was really soothing. Initially, I thought that the extraction process is going to be very painful. Surprisingly, it wasn't as painful as I thought. I felt relaxed and cared for throughout the entire treatment. Everyone is friendly and professional. I felt comfortable and they are very informative about each step too. I've noticed less acne and my skin looks healthier and smooth. I'm currently doing the student basic treatment. Before the treatment, I would expect it to be tailored to my skin type and concerns. Just want to say thank you, Sine Beauty. I really appreciate the care taken here.